Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to week 5 of Initia Testnet. So to get started, we are going to visit the faucet and then claim some test tokens. To be able to claim test tokens from Initia Faucet, they now implement Gitcoin Passport to verify your proof of humanity. In the previous video, week 4 tutorial, I already explained how to go about Gitcoin. And you want to make sure that you have at least 20 Gitcoin score to be able to use this faucet. So I'm going to do that captcha, then I'm going to tap on claim testnet tokens. Although we are using Kepler for Initia Testnet, you are going to connect your MetaMask wallet. The MetaMask wallet you connect has to be the same one that already passed Gitcoin score. I am done claiming test tokens. Now I'm going back to Initia to continue with the testnet. Task 1 says to send 1 USDC from Blackwing to Minimove. In week 3 and 4 videos, we first make a swap before going ahead to then bridge from one layer 2 to another, but we won't do that in this video because the tokens that we are going to be bridging from one layer 2 to another this week has already been swapped in week 3 and 4 video and then bridged to a layer 2 before. So today we are just going to go ahead with the bridging. I entered 1 USDC to bridge from Blackwing to Minimove. Then I'll approve in my wallet. But if you look at my screen, it is saying insufficient balance. So this is how you go about it. Tap on that drop down where you see eaning. And then you are going to change the token you want to use for gas fee into init. You can see I have now changed it to init. I'm going to tap on approve. Again, it is saying insufficient balance. You can see it still wants to use eaning, so I'm going to tap on it again and then I'm going to change eaning to init. Now I can go ahead with my bridging. I'll tap on approve. Transaction completed. So I'll move on to task 2. Task 2 says to send 1 init from init AI to Tokana, so I'm going to tap on it. I'll enter the amount of init, 1 init. I'll tap on submit and then I'll approve in my wallet. Transaction completed. I'll go back to Initia. Task 3 now says send 0.1 tier from noon to Miniwasm. I'll tap on it. So I'll be sending 0.1 tier. I'll type in the amount. I'm sending from noon to Miniwasm, then I'll tap on submit and then approve in my wallet. If you check my screen again, it is saying insufficient balance. So just like I did earlier, I'm going to tap on that drop down and then change my gas token to init. Then I'll approve. Transaction completed. I'm going back to Initia. Task 4 says to send 0.0001 ETH from Minimove to Blackwing, so I'll tap on it. I'll enter the amount of it. I'll tap on submit and then approve in my wallet. Transaction completed. I'm going back to Initia. Task 5 says to send 1 init from Civitia to init AI, so I'll tap on it. I'll type in the amount, 1 init. I'll tap on submit and then approve transaction in my wallet. Transaction completed. I'll move over to the last task. Send 1 USDC from Turkana to Noon. Well, this time I do not have any USDC on Turkana, so what am I going to do? I am first going to bridge USDC from either Init or any other available chain to Turkana, and then I am now going to bridge from Turkana to Noon. So let's first of all bridge USDC from Initia to Turkana. So I'm going to change that chain to Initia from Turkana. Then the one at the bottom, the destination chain, I'm going to change it to Turkana. Then I'm going to tap on select token. I'm going to choose USDC. Then I'm going to enter the amount of USDC that I want to bridge from Initia to Turkana. I want to bridge 1.5 USDC. I'll tap on submit and then I'm going to approve the transaction in my wallet. Now that I have bridged from Initia to Turkana, I'm going to give it a few minutes and then come back when the USDC have arrived on Turkana. So I am back. You can see my USDC on Turkana. Now I can go ahead and then bridge 1 USDC from Turkana to Noon. So I'm going to enter the amount of USDC to bridge, 1 USDC. I'll tap on submit and then approve transaction in my wallet. Transaction completed. So let's go back to Initia. Here we are. Not all of my transactions have been verified, so what am I going to do? I'm going to refresh my browser. Good, all tasks have now been verified. So the last thing that I have to do for this week's testnet is to feed Jenny. So I'm going to tap on feed Jenny. I'm not going to buy food today because I have food left, so I'm going to tap on good lunch. I'll tap on feed good lunch. I'll tap on approve. Jenny have been fed successfully. The whole point of accumulating XP on Initia Testnet is to buy food and then feed your Jenny, because the more you feed Jenny, the more level you are going to be able to unlock. And then you want to make sure that you do this testnet as early as possible when it comes out during the week, so that you won't forget to feed Jenny, because if Jenny dies, it is actually very difficult to revive Jenny. So that is the end of week 5 testnet on Initia. If you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. You can also join us on Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section for your convenience. If you have found value in my content, then give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.